Rolling up to the job. I'm gonna do a shed roof today. We're gonna take you along for the ride. What you doing, Dean? Aren't you sneaky? Don't let it hit you in the face. Nice catch. Did you see him catch that? How's that end look, Dean? Josh, can you video this?
Yeah, exactly.
This is gonna be, we're gonna see how much more you're gonna grow. Alright? So, stand up straight. So.
Oh no, something's about to happen.
What are you worried
Oh,
about?
I know what you're gonna do.
What are you worried about?
Yo, did you?
I know what happened. I know what happened.
You know what happens?
Here, look.
You said they were phone.
Hmm? They are fun.
You called them phone.
Whatever they are.
On by 11.
11 midnight?